guys, we're playing Subway Surfers today. Yeah, we're playing Subway Surfers. So, today I'm just going to show you, some basic stuff about, I got every character in the game. I'm going to show you this. And, yeah, I'm going to show you that I have every character in the game. And that, I'm just going to play for a little bit and you guys can watch me. Hey guys, I'm back. See, I got Prince K already. See, every character in the game. You can see all those checks down there. Look by the people. You don't think I got the outfits? There you go. Got that outfit. Got that outfit. Every single outfit. Even I got every Prince K outfit, and these outfits are very hard to get. Bro, every Brody outfit. Zoe. Every Zoe outfit. Every Tasha outfit. Every Tagbot outfit. Every Ninja outfit. Every Lucy outfit. Every King outfit. Every Rasta Frizzy outfit. Every Dot and Frank outfit. Every Malik outfit. Every Philip outfit. Every Jake outfit. Every Trixie outfit. But I don't have Fresh yet. Fresh, I'm gonna get him soon. I hope to get him because I'm pretty sure a lot of people probably got Spike. Whoever got Spike, they must be very lucky, but I don't have Spike yet. Or her. She's like the hardest one to get. No one got her yet. I gotta like really get her. I have this much money, so let's just go have some fun. Let's just go have some fun and buy some hoverboards. Right? My favorite hoverboard is the monster. Let me see if I got the monster. Where's the monster? Yeah, select the monster. So let's just play. And yeah, so yeah, I'm playing as Prince K because he's my favorite character. So yeah, my favorite thing is getting on the roof. I don't know what it is about getting on the roof, but it's just fun. And I also like jumping off. That's the one thing I don't like about Subway Surfers, that the trains move. Like, they could just stay still sometimes. That's the only time they stay still is when they literally don't have anywhere to go. That's one thing I really don't like, but it's a game, so. Go up, and down, up, over, and down. Oh man! See, it's very laggy. I'm not even gonna use a key. I don't want to continue. Well, yeah. I'm just gonna buy me some mystery boxes. Let's do the prizes. These are all the prizes that you can get. But the thing I like about getting prizes is that when you get the, let me show you. When you get those boxes, you see them right there when I say Wordy Weekend, that colorful chest right there, it's not the colorful one, but that gold and silver chest with the red, question mark. If you get that one, normally when I get it, I get the one key. That's what I really don't like about it. But let's get us one. How much money is this? How much money is this? If it's money. Oh, first. I'm so close to being first, but I'm not even close to getting first, but I'm gonna get him soon. Sometime. 1,500, that's what I needed. 500. I know y'all thinking, why don't we just double up? I'm only doubling up when I get the fresh again. Yeah. Double up. be back, guys. Guys, I'm back. And that looks so beautiful right there. Like, the background is awesome. That is just so cool, man. I love it. Let's get one more and then. Double up, baby. Alright, guys, who's gonna pause the camera? There it is again, guys. That beautiful picture, okay? Alright, I know I said one more, but just come on, one more. I can't help it. Alright, guys, that's it. Oh, wait a minute. No, I really don't need that. I don't got any rewards. No awards. I'm so close to getting that, but like they just give me like nothing. I already have the master. So I beat the master, the mission master. I'm very good at that. But yeah. I'm just gonna end the video off right there because I really don't have anything else to do. I'm just gonna play one more round before I do, and this time we're gonna play as Jake. And I know you guys are thinking, why Jake? He's a level 1er and all of that. Well, because I don't normally play with Jake. I'm just gonna play with him for this one video. And I'm pretty sure you're never gonna see me play with Jake anymore like this, but if you do, okay, but if you don't. Wow, Jake, you really suck. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video off right there. Peace out, guys.